Hello friends. Now let us take up the concept number 9, reading objects from a file. Already I explained in the previous concept, I explained writing object to a file. The same set of code you take and make the necessary changes. That's all. From the beginning I am telling you. Actually size wise it is very large. Java IO package is very large. But if you are able to analyze and identify commonalities in the code, then your burden is reduced by more than 50%. Because same code, similar code you are using, not same code. Now we see in the previous concept, I have written the output. Now I am writing input. Here, instead of output, input. Here, instead of output, input. Here, instead of output, input. So here, what should we do? This is the specialized stream for reading of objects. Now, file input stream FIS, new file input stream file name. So, if you are given file name means this is low level stream class, we have to understand, because we have given a source of data to this. Okay. Now, thereafter we are layering this, because this is a specialized class meant for, created for reading objects from a file. So, object input stream in new object input stream FIS. This one we are giving, by that we are layering it. So, how we layered it? This is FIS, over that with in we made it. And always for this constructor what you have to give, any type of input stream you have to give. It can accept only input stream, that point you must remember. Thereafter actually what is our operation? Reading the object. So this class provides read method, read object method in read object method. It reads, but here one prerequisite is there. Actually this method returns object, return object. So here what type of object it returns, that type of casting we have to make. So it returns object. Then now in this example, this is the example. In this example, this returns string object. That's why I typecast it as a string, and it is stored in string object. Understand? So this is an additional point you must remember. The read object method always returns an object. So that object should be cached, and then it should be stored in the corresponding class object. That point you have to remember. Thereafter, throwing exceptions. Throwing exceptions are concerned. One is IO exception, that already explained. It is the super class for all these. These are indirect subclasses for IO exception. So if you want to write IO exception, that is enough. It covers everything. Otherwise, if you want to write individual exceptions, you can write. The second one is invalid class exception. Third one, not serializable exception. And fourth one, class not found exception. And fifth one, stream corrupted exception. The possibilities of throwing exceptions are these 5. So, yeah, this is the super class for remaining 4. If you want to write this one, that is enough. Or otherwise, if you specifically know one or more of this thing, you can write the names of these individual subclasses along with the throws with the constructor. That point you must remember.